In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wayfair gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right format, fill in the details, check out confidently, and understand how delivery works. First, open your browser and head to the official Wayfair gift card page. Make sure you're on Wayfair's own site to ensure the card is valid and redeemable at checkout. Once you're there, you'll see two options. Choose the e-gift card if you want email delivery, which is perfect for last-minute gifts and arrives quickly. If you'd prefer something to hand over in person, pick the physical gift card, which will be mailed to a shipping address. Next, select the amount you'd like to give. Wayfair typically offers preset amounts starting around $25 and going up to $500 or more depending on the option. Pick the amount that matches your budget and the occasion. Now enter the recipient's details. For an e-gift card, type the recipient's name and their email address carefully, since the card will be sent there. For a physical card, enter the correct shipping address, including any apartment or unit information, to avoid delivery issues. If you'd prefer to receive the e-gift yourself and forward it later, you can enter your own email. If you're sending an e-gift card, you can optionally choose a delivery date. This lets you schedule the card to arrive on a specific day. Keep time zones in mind so it lands when you expect. You can also write a short personal message to add a friendly touch. Keep it brief and clear so it displays nicely. When everything looks good, click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. Here, enter your payment method, typically a credit or debit card, and make sure your billing information matches what your bank has on file. Before placing the order, review the summary to confirm the amount, delivery method, recipient details, and any scheduled date. Finally, confirm and place your order. For e-gift cards, the email usually arrives within minutes, along with a confirmation email for you. If you don't see it after a short while, remind the recipient to check their spam or promotions folder. For physical cards, watch for standard shipping times. You'll receive order confirmation and, if provided, tracking details. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Wayfair gift card with the flexibility to send it digitally or by mail and the confidence that it will arrive just when you need it.